Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Universal Learner's channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of your everyday life. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. So happy to have you with us today.
James, today we have a really special topic for our listeners.
Yes, we do. Today, we are talking about how to speak English confidently in your daily life, even if you are a beginner.
This is so important because so many people know English grammar, but they cannot speak.
Exactly, Emma. They studied for years, but when someone says hello, they freeze.
We have all been there, James. Don't worry, listeners. Today we fix that.
So, Emma, what is the very first secret to speaking English confidently?
The first secret is speak from day 1. Not day 10, not day 100. Day 1.
But, Emma, what if I only know 5 words?
You said James. But yes, use those 5 words. Say them out loud every single day.
That is so true. When I started learning Spanish, I waited 6 months before speaking.
And what happened?
I was still not ready. Nobody ever feels ready, James. Emma.
You keep saying your own name. This is what happens when you are nervous. And that is exactly our point. Even when you make mistakes, keep going.
So the message is open your mouth and just start. Mistakes are part of the process.
Perfectly said, James. Your mouth is a muscle. You have to train it every single day.
Okay, so we know we need to speak. But Emma, how do we find time? Life is very busy.
Great question, James. The secret is do not find time. Use the time you already have.
Oh, interesting. So what do you mean exactly?
When you wake up in the morning, talk to yourself in English. Say, "Good morning. Today is Monday. I am going to make coffee."
That sounds a little funny. Am I talking to my coffee?
Yes. Talk to your coffee. Talk to your shoes. Talk to your cat.
My cat only speaks in meows, unfortunately.
But you speak in English. That is what matters. Narrate your day like you are the star of your own English movie.
I love that idea. So instead of just making breakfast, I describe making breakfast in English?
Exactly. I am cutting the bread. I am pouring the juice. The eggs smell delicious. Just like that.
Listeners, try this tomorrow morning. Just 5 sentences about your morning routine. It will change everything.
James, what do you think is the biggest mistake English learners make?
Oh, I know this one. They translate everything in their head before they speak.
Yes, they think in their own language first, then translate to English, then speak.
By the time they finish translating, the conversation has moved on.
The other person is already talking about something completely different.
So, how do we stop this habit, Emma? It feels very automatic.
You have to train your brain to think in pictures first, not words.
Pictures? Can you explain that?
When you see an apple, do not think apple. Just see the apple, the picture, the color, the taste.
So the word apple connects directly to the fruit, not to the word in my language.
Exactly. This is how children learn. They point at things and say the English word immediately.
So we should be more like children when we learn?
In language learning, yes. Be curious. Be brave. Do not overthink.
Emma, what about listening? A lot of our listeners say they cannot understand native speakers.
Oh, yes. This is very common. Native speakers speak fast and connect all their words together.
It sounds like one very long word sometimes. What do you want to do?
Exactly. What do you want to do becomes what do you want to do in real life?
So, how do we train our ears?
Listen every single day, even when you are not fully paying attention.
So, I can just have English playing in the background while I cook or clean?
Yes, your brain picks up patterns even when you are not actively listening. It is called passive listening.
That sounds very easy. I can do that while washing the dishes.
And when you are focused, watch shows with English subtitles, not your own language subtitles, English subtitles.
So, I see the word and hear the word at the same time?
Your brain connects the sound to the spelling. After a few weeks, you will not need subtitles at all.
Listeners, start with a show you already love. Watch it again in English. It is much easier when you know the story.
James, here is something that changed everything for me when I was learning a new language.
Oh, tell me.
Stop learning single words. Start learning whole phrases.
What do you mean exactly?
Instead of learning the word understand, learn the phrase, I totally understand what you mean.
Oh, so the whole sentence goes into my brain as one unit?
Yes. And when you need it, it comes out naturally. You do not have to build it word by word.
That is like downloading a full sentence instead of building it from parts.
I love that. Yes, download the full sentence. Some great phrases to start with are, that makes sense. Could you say that again, please? I am not sure about that.
Those are so useful. You can use them in almost any conversation.
Exactly. Learn 20 phrases like this, and you can have a real conversation today.
Not in 6 months. Today. I like that.
Okay, James. Everyone always asks about grammar. What do we say?
Honestly, stop memorizing grammar rules.
The teachers are going to be very upset with us.
I know, but what I mean is do not study rules in isolation. Learn grammar through real sentences.
Yes. Instead of studying present perfect tense rules, just learn the sentence, I have never tried sushi before.
And use that sentence in real life. Change the ending each time. I have never tried skiing. I have never been to London.
Your brain starts to feel the pattern. You do not think about the rule anymore.
It becomes automatic, like driving a car. At first, you think about every movement. Then one day, you just drive.
That is exactly it, James. Language becomes automatic with enough practice.
So, listeners, when you hear a sentence that sounds natural, copy it, use it, make it yours.
Do not ask why it is correct. Just use it until it feels right.
Emma, I want to talk about confidence because I think this is the real barrier for most people.
Yes, you can know all the grammar and all the vocabulary, but if you are not confident, you will not speak.
So, how do we build confidence in English?
3 things. First, celebrate small wins. Did you understand a sentence in an English movie today? That is a win.
Did you order coffee in English? When? Did you read an English menu? When?
Exactly. Write down your wins every day. You will be amazed how fast they add up.
Second thing?
Record yourself speaking. Use your phone. Speak for 30 seconds about your day.
Oh, that feels uncomfortable. I hate hearing my own voice.
Everyone does at first, but when you listen back, you will notice your own mistakes and your own progress.
And the third thing?
Find one English speaking friend, online or in real life, even a language exchange partner.
Someone who is learning your language while you learn English. You help each other.
Yes, having a real person to practice with makes everything feel real and meaningful.
Emma, I think our listeners are feeling very motivated right now.
I hope so, James. And speaking of community, we have some very exciting news for everyone.
Oh, yes. Tell them, Emma.
We are building a special Mr. English community just for all of you.
A place where you can practice English every single day with real people. Okay, Emma, let us do a quick summary of today's secrets.
Secret 1. Speak from day 1. Do not wait until you are ready. Secret 2. Use English in your daily routine. Narrate your life.
Secret 3. Stop translating. Think in pictures and English directly. Secret 4. Listen every day. Active and passive listening both help.
Secret 5. Learn phrases, not just single words. Progress is better than perfection. Always. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You are amazing for being here.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with one friend who is learning English. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button.